This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is your cabin air filter. The cabin air filter is behind this glove box, so we're going to have to open it up. Remove this piece on the side. Push the two sides in and then pull it out. There's a little plastic cover. You gotta push the two tabs in on each side and pull it out. So these are the two tabs, one here and one here. Pull out the filter. So I'm gonna be putting on this new filter. If you notice, there's an arrow pointing downwards. That means the airflow is going from the top to the bottom. So just put it in like that. Put back this plastic piece. Put back the glove box. And you're good to go. So that's how you replace a cabin air filter. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.